Today we start calculus part. From the calculus part we have indefinite integration. We started indefinite integration chapter. Indefinite integration. Already I am giving the weightage, that is 7 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2. Totally 2 LHS and 2 SHS. First I am writing the definition. What is the definition of the indefinite integration? First I am writing the definition. I am writing the definition. What is the definition of the indefinite integration? Reverse and inverse process of differentiation is called integration. Reverse and inverse process of differentiation is called integration. In the first year we have the differentiation chapter. From the differentiation we get the integration. Reverse and inverse process of differentiation is called integration. Suppose we take the differentiation and integrations. I am giving example. In the differentiation we take a positive, here we take negative. In the differentiation we take a negative, here we take a positive. There is we take division, here we take the multiplication. There is we take the multiplication, here we take the division. Okay. Reverse and inverse process. Plus minus, here we take the minus, here we take the plus. Reverse process of differentiation is called integration. Symbol for the integration is, this is the symbol for the integration. Already we have the differentiation formulas. dy dx of, suppose dy dx of x is equal to, we get 1. Apply the integration to this one, that is the integral of 1 dx. Reverse process is we get x only, that is the integral of 1 dx is equal to x. So formula of integral of 1 dx is x plus c. We are adding c. Why we are adding c, that is we discuss it later. Okay. Next, dy dx of, already we know that formulas. Dy dx of e power x is e power x. Apply the integration to this e power x. That is e power x, integral of e power x dx is equal to, reversely we get e power x plus c. C is called here, c is called integral constant. Why we are adding c, that is we discuss it later. Next, similarly, already we have the differentiation formula, that is dy dx of a power x. We have the integral dy dx of a power x formula. Dy dx of a power x is a power x into log a. Apply the integration to this function, that is integral of a power x. This log a is take this side. Dx is equal to, apply the integration to this a power x, that is integral of a power x dx is equal to a power x, this log a is take this side, divided by log a. So these are the some of formulas about the integration. Okay. Next we discuss about some formulas. First I am writing the formulas. Already we have the differentiation formulas. First I am writing the differentiation formulas. d by dx of differentiation of x is equal to 1. Already we know that in the first year. Next, d by dx of e power x is e power x. Next, d by dx of a power x is a power x into log a. Next formula, dy by dx of root x. dy by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Next, dy by dx of log x. Differentiation of log x is, we know that is 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Next, dy by dx of x power n. X power n is n into x power n minus 1. Why I am writing the differentiation formulas first? From the differentiation we get the integration formulas. So from the differentiation how we get the integration formulas? Okay. Now we know that already integration symbol is this is the integration symbol. Apply the integration to this function. dy by dx of x is equal to 1. Apply the integration to this function, that is integral of 1 dx is equal to, reversely we get x only. So integral of 1 dx is x plus we are adding integral constants plus. Similarly in the same way, apply the integration to this e power x, that is integral of e power x dx is equal to, reversely we get e power x only plus c. In the same way here also, integral of a power x dx. Apply the integration to this a power x only. This log a is transferred this side, that is a power x. This log a is taken this side, divided by log a. So integral of a power x dx is a power x by log a plus c. Next, integral of, apply the integration to this function, that is integral of 1 by root x dx. 1 by root x dx is equal to, this 2 is transferred this side, that is 2 root x. 2 root x plus c. Next, apply the integration to this, that is integral of 1 by x dx is equal to, that is log x plus c. Next, integral of x power n. Remember this formula, we don't have direct shortcut. Integral of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus